Hola everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, I just want to take some time to say thank you again for all the love and the support this past week with everyone who's taken time to subscribe, to like, or just comment on any of the videos that I've posted. Yeah, this is a fun journey for me, so I really do appreciate all the love and support from everyone. If you are liking what you're seeing and you want to continue, the journey with me, don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, and yeah, share them, do whatever you feel you need to do to help me out. Yeah, so anyway, today is June 21st. It's Friday, which I'm so excited about. I have not been working the last couple of Saturdays, so my Fridays are that much better and I'm really happy about it. But today is June 21st, which is officially the first day of summer. Even though it feels like it's been summer here in Florida for, I don't know, 6 months, today is the official first day. So I thought, what better way to start the summer than to unbox my FabFitFun box. This box, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I actually did unbox last night. I was gonna film this last night and I started to, and the lighting was all messed up, so I figured just wait till today, post today since it's the summer, and I could show you some of the goodies that I did receive. Yeah, just so you guys know, FabFitFun is a subscription box, I guess you could say. Yeah, it's a subscription box. Basically you get it 4 times a month. The price on it is $49.99 if you want to pay for that month. So let's just say if you get it in June, you pay June $49.99, and for every season you would get it in the beginning of the season. However, if you want to be a VIP annual subscriber, you could pay $179.99 and receive all 4 boxes for the year, which is pretty cool because with that you get a couple little perks that you get to customize and add on in the beginning of the season with different deals that they do, and products that you would normally see in the store for like, I don't know, 100 bucks, you could possibly get them for like $30 if you are an annual member. So yeah, it's just something really fun. The box contains over $200 worth of products, and it has anything to do with beauty, wellness, fitness, lifestyle, which are all things that I kind of enjoy. Like I said, I want to unbox this with you guys today, and I also kind of want to steer away from doing so many unboxings because I do want this channel to be about other things in my life, not just unboxings. But since this is already here and it's a summer box, I figured why not just unbox it anyway. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm excited. Alright, so the box this season looks like this. I don't know if you can see it. It's a nice turquoise colors. The season, every season kind of changes. This box, like I did say, I opened it up last night, so it looks a little messier than it usually would, but usually it does come something like this. You open it up and you get a couple of little goodies in the very beginning. You start off by getting an $80 gift card to HelloFresh, which I actually have not used before, but there we go. So that's pretty cool for people who do like that kind of stuff. You get a little coupon, I guess, for $15 off. If you are a subscriber that does it once, like every 4 months or so, you get a $15 coupon off one of the boxes. And also you come with, well, it comes with a FabFitFun little catalog. Basically the catalog, it's a community, FabFitFun people that talk about things that are going on, seasons favorites. It also talks about all the products that are in the box, with the prices and what it's there for and all that good stuff. Also, before I do get started on the actual unboxing, I will be posting at the bottom, like at the description, I'll be posting the link to my a code that I'll have, which if you do want to sign up just to take the box, for the first season, it would be $39.99, I believe, with a $10 off coupon under my name. So I'll go ahead and link that at the bottom if you guys are interested at all. Alright, so let's get started here with this. This is a very nice little treat. I was actually really excited for this. I knew that this was gonna come in the box, and for all my fellow wine drinkers, or actually, you know what? It can be anything. This is a little cute thing that you can take to the beach, and basically they are silicone cups that you can take. These are in the color pink. You get 2 of them, and they look just like this. So it's nice, the little packaging. You can put anything you want in it. It could be water, it could be drinks, it could be a soda, whatever floats your boat. And that one does retail in the store. I believe it retails for $25. So I'm gonna let you guys know what everything retails at in the actual store. And at the end, I'll tell you the grand total of everything in the box, and you guys can decide what you think. So that's that. Next thing I am super excited about, because it is summertime here, now, everywhere. And I did get these awesome, well, this is an estuche. How do you say estuche? The container, I guess you could say, for sunglasses. And these are the sunglasses that I did receive in this month. So this brand is called Key, I believe. It's an Australian brand. Oh, these are actually really cute. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're rose gold. Yeah, they're really, really pretty. I did see these in the, I guess in the preview before. So I knew I was gonna be getting them, but I do think they're super, super cute. Perfect for the summer, perfect for the beach. So, yep, that's that one right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put that one, and that one does retail like at $170, I believe, which is crazy. So moving forward, this one is so dope. I love this one. Okay, so I did open this up last night, so it obviously does not come already open, but it is like a lotus flower towel. I don't know if you could see, I'm gonna try to just bring it all the way up and down. So it is shaped as a lotus flower. It is the color like a baby blue and a brown. I don't know if you could see. It's once again, like I said, this box is for the summer, so it's gonna show you a lot of summer favorites, a lot of things that people do use in the summer, and this already with the glasses and the wine glasses is an awesome thing to take to the beach if that's something that you enjoy. Moving forward, you get these little Invisi bobble. Oh, I'm sorry. The towel retails for, oh my God, the towel retails for $50. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. You get these little things for your hair. I don't know if you could see them right. Yeah, they remind me like old school. It's something I used to wear when I was like 8. But you get a few of them. You get some tan ones and some clear ones. I don't know if you can kind of see what they look like. So these bad boys, actually, I don't know why, but they retail for 16 bucks. I don't know why. They're cute. I'll probably maybe wear them. I don't know. All right, I also did get some bobby pins. Here we go. We got rose gold, gold, and silver for those of you guys that want to lock in the side bang. Let's see. Oh, all right. This one looks like it's an oil. It is by the brand Skin & Co. Roma, and it's a cleansing oil. This is kind of what it looks like, and basically it just says that you moisten a cotton pad with the right amount of truffle therapy cleansing oil and gently spread all over your face in circular motion. It's basically used as a beauty solution. Let me see what else. It can be used to remove makeup, and it's effectively and delicately removes makeup and leaves the skin incredibly soft and hydrated. So yeah, let's just take a look. Okay, I'll pour it. Oh wait, hold on. Alright, let me open this really quick. Okay, so I'm gonna pour a little bit on my wrist. Ooh. So smooth. All right, yeah, it smells like oil, but yeah, it's very really nice. I don't know if you can kind of see. Texture's nice and soft, and I guess yeah, this is mostly for the face. Nice, I guess for the summer after the beach or something. Oh, also that one retails at $24. All right, moving forward, you have this product by Grace&Stella. I actually didn't know that this was even in here till last night. So I'm actually really excited because it is a little spray that looks like this. I love the packaging. It's pink, which I love pink, right there. And it says it is the Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. So basically for those people who do need a little hydration throughout the day, I do believe that this is gonna be something good for you. It's a very floral smell. Usually not a big floral person, but this smells pretty good. It smells pretty clean. If you just need an extra hydration on your face, this brand is actually very good, and it retails at $25.95. So that's that. Moving on, we have this, which I did pick, and this is actually a makeup setting spray. For those of you who do wear makeup, or who, even if you don't wear makeup, SPF is imperative to be wearing in the summer. Actually, you should be wearing SPF on your face at all times to avoid any kind of fine lines and wrinkles, FYI. So this one is a makeup setting spray. So after you do your makeup, if you do want to hit your face up a little bit like that, it's perfect because it does have 30 SPF. If I don't break it, hold up. All right. And this is what it looks like. It's called Kula. I've heard really good things about this. Okay, so this, I love it.
I understand.
I'm not sure I understand either, Siri. All right, hold up. Anyway, this one is cruelty-free, which I love. It's vegan, recycled products, and it's water and sweat resistance. So if anybody who has watched my videos before knows that I get hot very easily, and when I get hot very easily, I tend to, you know, get a little sweaty. But anyway, the point is that this is awesome because it does serve as a setting spray to hold your makeup in, and it is SPF 30, which it smells like SPF. If you've ever worn sunblock before, this is pretty much what it smells like. But hey, it is what it is. In order to freaking, I guess, take care of your skin, you're gonna have to deal with a little bit of a smelly face, I guess. Okay, I have 3 more products to take a look at. This one is Generation Clay, and it's a brightening purple clay mask. This is kind of what the packaging looks like. And this mask actually goes for $39, which is insane. I'm not gonna apply this on my face because it is a clay mask. But just so you know, this is kind of the coloring. I don't know if you can kind of see the coloring. It is like a purple. It's, it doesn't smell all that great, but it is supposed to be a very good brand. If you can see, it is purpley. It's a little thick, but I know I've said this before. Usually when products don't smell that good, usually means that they work very well. I've noticed that products that really smell nice and fruity and yeah, good, usually it dries out your skin or gives you some kind of like how do you say, dandruff or something like that. Yes, so this, I don't know, I'm excited. I'll give this a try, and maybe I'll even put it into my night routine. Yeah, it says 10 minutes or okay, yeah. That's basically it. Here we go. All right. Oh, I don't know if I told you about the Kula, but the Kula does retail at $36, which is bananas. That's a lot for this, but it's worth it. All right. The last all right, so I think it is important to take care of your feet. Ladies, gentlemen, kids, anyone, just take care of your feet. I'm actually really excited about this because I do like to take care of my feet. I probably will never show you my feet. I would have to have like 1,000 subscribers for me to actually have the courage to show you my feet on camera. But this brand is by Wish. It's an exfoliating foot mask, which this brand is amazing. This is kind of what the packaging looks like. This brand is good. I have a nighttime cream for wrinkles, and I also have a lotion and a body wash, which is phenomenal. It's really good brand. This actually retails at $32 in itself. So this one is just supposed to help exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth your feet for those of you guys who have some dry or I don't know, whatever feet, and you want to take care of them. I believe that this is probably gonna have like some kind of coconut. Oh my gosh, so good. Feels very oily, similar to the oil from before, but smells a million times better. It does have like a coconut lemon smell. It feels amazing. So I can only imagine after getting a pedicure, after washing your feet, put this bad boy on. It's definitely gonna help you out. Yeah, powerfully effective naturals. Coconut milk and verbena? I don't know. Sounds awesome though. I can't wait to try this out. If you guys want me to show it on camera, y'all better subscribe then. And last but not least, we have, I was so excited for these. I love tie-dye, and I'm probably not going to be using these for any kind of edible products, but I wanted more for decoration. These are indigo tie-dye bowls. The packaging looks kind of like that. And it's a little set of 3 tie-dye bowls, which I think would be so cute for a decoration, to put jewelry, to put anything you want, and it comes like this. So this is the first one. Just kind of like that. Number 1. It's 3 different sizes. Here is the second one. And last but not least is the bigger one, which just looks like that. So it's a little set, which are so cute. I really love that. So all in all, that is basically, oh, let me tell you, those retail for 39 bucks. I did add up this value last night because like I said, I was gonna unbox this with you guys last night, and the total of all the products is $286.95, which is crazy because just the subscription for the annual one, $180 a year, I'm sorry, and it covers all 4 boxes is $179.99. So this one is over $100 already, and it's just the 1 box, which is pretty freaking amazing. I have gotten on this little subscription box kick because I just think it's fun, you know, especially this type because it's not just based on beauty and skincare. It does give you some exercise stuff. There is a community online that you can log on to once you become a member, and it gives you different things for cooking ideas or baking or I don't know, even fitness, workouts and stuff you can do. So I don't know, I really enjoy it. I wanted to unbox this with you guys today just so I can get these unboxings out of the way. The next FabFitFun unboxing I will be doing will be in the fall because that's the next time it comes out. So figured get this out the way, share it with you guys tonight for the first time, for the first day of summer. And yeah, press forward. So yeah, that's about it as far as the box goes. Everything else in my life is going great. Yeah, house is coming along nice. I plan on doing a little house tour for you guys here within the next couple of weeks. And once again, if you guys have any suggestions, any recommendations, feel free to share them with me. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want to hear. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know so I can make this enjoyable for you guys. And also, like I said, I will be posting the link in the description of FabFitFun with the little referral code if you guys want to join. Yes, what else do I have for you? Stay tuned. I'll probably be doing something a little bit more in depth with my hubby tomorrow. I don't know what we're doing, but we plan to bring something enjoyable for you guys to watch. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, anything. And everyone have a great day. Have a good summer.